Hello everyone, my name is Ben and today I'll be presenting Redux Iterator. It's a middleware for Redux that basically allows you to iterate over arrays, maps, sets, normal objects, and coming soon generators. I had some Webpack issues, but I tested it outside of that and I know it works. Basically what it does is it's going to allow you to send to the middleware, through the middleware, a set, array, or all the other things I listed of actions to be dispatched. It iterates over them and dispatches each one of them to the store. I do have some quick examples. We'll first start here with the basic array. So we'll see here. Basically, it's just basic example for counting. It's dispatching each one of those, and you can see here that it is hitting there with the array. And now we'll go over here and change things up to be a map. And you can see in the console here that we are receiving a map that comes in, and within each one of these is the object that needs to be dispatched. So I guess one of the main things that I had issues with this was finding the edge cases. Basically finding anything that would cause this to break. And there's a lot of things. So there's lots of different ifs and elses. You had to treat maps different than sets as the way they were structured. So what I really kind of dove into was ES6, which was great. It was a great experience for learning about all the power of what you can create with ES6, and I kind of suggest that everyone looks into that and see what they can use with it. And we'll go over to one more example of when this would really be handy is an instance in which you would use for, say, a media player. You press one button and it can change about 20 different things on the screen. So it's a lot cleaner in your code if you just send through any sort of iterable action or iterable set that can be iterated over. So the placeholder picture is kind of slow, so deal with that. But you can see that we are sitting through a set each time with information that needs to be updated, and it's updating. But what I want to say is that this will soon be published or npm published, because I want to make sure that the documentation is the best that it can be with the best examples before I put it up there. And I'm excited to see what everyone will be able to do, because I know there's a lot within ES6 and sets and maps and so on that you'll be able to create ideas that I haven't even thought of, which is the beauty of the community, and I'm really looking forward to see what everyone can do with it. So thank you very much for your time, and I will send out a link to everyone when it's available.